How to migrate Hotmail emails to Gmail. Let's get started. First of all, keep in mind that Hotmail is now called Outlook, so you will be using your Outlook account. So after that, open up Gmail in your browser and just like that, sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on the settings icon, then select See All Settings. From here, tap on Account and Import, and just like that, scroll down and then come over to check email from other accounts. Now, if the option is available, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Add a email account, and then you want to go ahead and simply enter your Outlook or Hotmail email address, then click on Next, and then follow the on-screen instruction to verify your account. Once it's connected, Gmail will automatically import your Outlook email so you can manage everything in one inbox. If you want to also send emails using your Outlook address from Gmail, go back to Accounts and Import, and then simply tap on Add another email address under Send Email As. Follow the setup steps to finish the process. That's it. You can now receive and send Outlook emails directly from Gmail. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.